and feels lighter. I want you to try this right now. I want you to notice this, by the way. Okay, right now, if you just sit with your arms and legs uncrossed, put your hands on your lap with your arms and your legs uncrossed, and you may want to close your eyes as you do this. And as you do that, I want you to notice that one of these hands feel lighter than the other. Now, I don't know whether it is your right hand that feels lighter or the other hand that feels heavier. But as you begin to notice the hand that feels lighter, where does it feel the lightest? Is it the index finger or the middle finger or the ring finger or the small finger? Or is it the thumb or just the whole of it? Is there any specific location in this hand where you feel the lightness, or is it just a generalized lightness that you experience? And as you notice that, the lightness in your hand, I don't know how soon your unconscious mind may begin to allow this hand to begin to rise up, to begin to lift up with honest unconscious movements, slowly, only as fast as you begin to enter into a nice, deep, relaxed state of mind and body. And the hand may begin to rise, hand may begin to lift up slowly, very slowly. The hand may begin to continue to rise up, as if someone is pulling the hand up and up. That's right, slowly and gradually. As if something is pulling that hand up and up. That's right. Slowly, only as fast as your unconscious mind takes you into a very relaxed. You see, your conscious mind may or may not understand anything, and your unconscious mind can continue to follow my instructions. Your conscious mind may drift off into a deep sleep, while your unconscious mind may continue to lift your hand up. Your conscious mind may think about this or that, while your unconscious mind just continue to do the work. Your conscious mind may not even believe that you can, while your unconscious mind continues to lift the hand higher and higher and higher. That's right. Even higher than that. That's right. It's safe. It's perfectly okay. That's right. Now, your conscious mind may begin to sleep, while your unconscious mind allows you to awake from inside. Your conscious mind may just begin to forget, while your unconscious mind continues to remember and remind you of some past experience, a time when perhaps as a child you were learning to lift your hand up, learning to coordinate the movements between the bones and muscles to lift your hand up. And perhaps sometimes when you were in a classroom and teacher asked a question and you knew the answer, you raised your hand up naturally automatically. Sometimes when someone at home asked and you raised your hand up, and perhaps when somebody needed some volunteer and they asked and you raised your hand up unconsciously. Consciously, you didn't notice, but unconsciously, the hand began to rise up. That's right. Now, with that, you can just allow yourself to gently open your eyes and notice where your hand is and allow your hand to, feel relaxed completely and come down. And just notice, it's like it's such a good feeling. Yeah, by the way, how many of you, because I couldn't see any of you here, so I have no idea, absolutely, I was just speaking and speaking, but how many of you found it's like your hand felt lighter and started to rise a little bit? Anyone? Can I see hands raised now?